little baby. Stop, don't lick me like that. Why'd you have to do that? Ruin the moment. I swear, Cleo is the sweetest dog in the morning, and then as soon as 12 o'clock noon hits, something changes because she becomes a completely different, ferocious, and crazy wild animal. What's up, guys? I'm so excited because I'm vlogging today, and I feel like I haven't done a college day in my life video in forever because it's winter break, so there hasn't really been a whole lot that I can, you know, vlog that's like college-y. But I think I'm gonna vlog today because classes start back up in a couple days, so I thought this would be kind of like a fun, like, prepping for the semester vlog. The first thing I need to do this morning is do my nails because they look absolutely atrocious, so I'm gonna like stuff those back on my sleeve so you guys don't see them. Today is Monday, January 7th, I think, and I technically am due to start classes at the end of this week. However, don't hate me,
I'm skipping my first day of class.
so the reason I'm not gonna go to my first day of class is because I'm gonna be in Colorado. I'm just gonna miss one class, which it's not a big deal. A lot of people like to skip. I usually attend. But yeah, I just want to be completely honest with you guys. I will definitely do a first day of class vlog when I come back next week.
Hi. Hi.
I'm like cold, but I don't feel like putting a jacket on, so I'm just gonna wrap myself up in it. So winter break is coming to a quick end, which means school supply time. So I went to Target the other day and I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy school supplies. And then I got there and I was like, girl, like, you never use school supplies. I literally only ever use my computer for school and then like highlighters and stuff when I print my notes out. I figured I might as well just get a couple of notebooks just in case I end up needing them for class, because I usually do end up needing a couple notebooks. So I grabbed some notebooks from Target. I just thought I'd show you. I got those last night. And then I also got some of these. I got these from Marshall's, but they are metallic gel pens. I don't remember the last time I used gel pens, so I thought it would be fun to like end my senior year of college by using gel pens for all my classes. Why not? Oh, I forgot I got these. Target also, they have so many cute little like succulent plant types of things. It's a little succulent and then you can put pencils in it for your desk. I don't know why I'm obsessed with stuff like that, but I got it. Come here, you wanna play? Also, yesterday before my workout, I posted this story holding like my pre-workout and then my CBD pen, and I was like, 2 things you never thought would mix, pre-workout and CBD, and I got so many questions about the CBD, and I've shown it on Instagram before, I think during finals, and I got a lot of questions about it too. So I thought this would be kind of a good little spot for me to just talk about it. I've never talked about CBD on my channel before, not really for any specific reason, but just I never thought to. But I am somebody that has been using CBD for like the past year. I'm gonna go ahead and just read this straight from the internet because I don't want to accidentally mess anything up. So CBD is a naturally occurring constitute, you can tell I'm not an English major, of industrial hemp plants. It is the most abundant non-psychoactive cannabinoid found in cannabis and is being scientifically investigated for numerous reasons. There is so much information about CBD on the internet, so if you're really interested, I encourage you to do your research. But from my experience, I started using CBD when I kind of noticed I felt a little bit on edge. I've told you guys so much that I get really bad at test anxiety, but what I haven't told you is the way I really deal with my test anxiety is with my CBD pen. So right here, this is just a disposable pen. So you buy it, you use it until it's about out, and then you throw it away, and then you can buy a new one. And then you can also get like a pen that is refillable, and you can fill it with CBD e-liquid. I get a lot of questions about where you can get this type of stuff, and I would highly recommend shopping on cbdoilbuy.com. They have some of the best prices I've seen, and they have a really big selection. And I know it can be kind of overwhelming to like figure out which one to get. The brand that I like the most, and that both of these are from, is the Essential CBD brand. They also have like other kinds. If you don't want to just do the pen or the e-liquid, you can get edible CBD tablets. You can get the CBD that you just put under your tongue. They have a huge selection, and then they also do free shipping on orders over $50. But yeah, pretty much anytime during the semester that I feel anxious, or maybe it's right before a test, I will literally just pull this thing out, take like a couple puffs of it, and put it away, and I feel completely fine. I know a lot of people that have not really heard about CBD often think that it can get you high, or it's like weed or something like that, and no. I think the reason people think that is because in cannabis there's THC and CBD. So obviously CBD is actually a component of cannabis, but the part of cannabis that actually gets you high is the THC, it's not the CBD. As I said, I really only mainly use CBD when it comes to anxiety inflicted by school, like when I'm in the library and I just like feel overwhelmed or something, then I'll kind of use it a little bit, or right before a test. But there are so many other uses for it, so I'm just reading this straight off the internet. Epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, inflammation, acne, broken bones, depression, diabetes, nausea, ADHD, schizophrenia, heart disease, substance abuse, withdrawal, irritable bowel syndrome. So yeah, this has been scientifically proven to help so many people, and I'm absolutely 100% here for it. What's crazy is Cleo actually used CBD before I ever did. They have it for dogs, and she has really bad anxiety. You guys have probably seen her just shake all of my videos all the time. She's a small dog, so she's timid. And we started giving her CBD oil when it would like storm and stuff outside, and it really helped her. So when I saw the effects that it had on Cleo, I knew I had to try it. So yeah, that's my little snippet about CBD. I always get so many questions whenever I show it on my Instagram, and it's not something I'm uncomfortable with talking about. It's just more the fact that I didn't really know you guys were curious, so I'm always happy to help spread the knowledge. Right, Cleo? She's looking at it. She knows, she loves her CBD. She really does. Ladies, if there's one thing we need to leave in 2018, it's acrylic fake nails. Finally somehow have like grown my nails out to be like kind of decent. I need to touch these up for sure. Just don't even look at that. But no, for real, I got my nails done for like every 3 weeks for 5 years straight. Like I got my nails done so much, and then I kind of try to stop like in the summer. To be honest, they never turn out perfect, right Cleo? They never turn out perfect, but it's just nice because I can switch the color when I want, and that's an extra $40 that I have in my pocket. I had to start packing for my trip to Colorado. I did want to show you guys, I got this Clean and Clear cleanser, and I am shook. It's working so well. It leaves my skin feeling very like glowy almost. I haven't compared the ingredients, but I have a feeling it might just be the Morning Burst reformulated. I don't know. I feel like it might just be that because it just smells like lemon, but it feels pretty similar to the Morning Burst one. We are on our way to the gym, and I have little Miss Cleo with me right now because this lady actually has a, what's it called? Teeth cleaning appointment. The girl is gonna look all fresh and clean in a couple hours, so I'm just dropping her off first before I go. This song is so good. I wish copyright wasn't a thing because all of these songs have so many good, just like, little beats. I don't know why I've been wearing like my sunglasses because it's not even sunny. But yeah, okay, so I wanted to talk to you guys kind of about like my new workout routine. I've trying to I can't talk. I've been trying to switch it up. So right after finals is kind of when I started doing this, and I didn't really want to talk about it until like I found something that was working for me. So pretty much what I do is every other day I've been going to cycle, and then on the days that I don't go to cycle, I go to the gym. And obviously like it costs money to have memberships to a cycling studio and a gym, and I'm totally aware of that, but it's honestly just about budgeting. Like I spent that amount of money on probably like 2 weeknights back my sophomore year when I used to go out all the time. So it's like totally just about like, I feel like budgeting your money right. And then pretty much every day I've been doing like the Alexis Ren ab routine or whatever. I mean, it's pretty simple workouts honestly, but it works. So that's what I've been doing. And then on top of that, I've just been trying to eat really, really clean. And yeah, I just want this to be a reminder to you guys that like, it's never too late to start fresh. I was eating so bad during finals, but yeah, I just woke up right after finals and I was like, nope, we're not doing that anymore. And I just kind of like got into a groove of a really good new routine, and I'm really liking it. Also, I hope you guys are off to a good start to the semester. Classes I feel like have probably started by the time you're watching this video, so hopefully you had a great winter break and you are back at school starting this semester off strong.
And I was like, well, you know, I could just really be put.
We almost just talked ourselves into buying this pair of pajamas, and then I said, you know what, I'm gonna feel like I work at a Hawaiian hotel if I wear those. Definitely don't need them.
But let us know if you like them.
Yeah, let us know because we can definitely come back and get them. Slash, we will. You guys, I'm about to take a nap in Target. This would look so good in my upstairs. It's like this huge, do you see it? Like it's just so spacious when you're sitting inside of it. It's like, damn. Hi guys, good morning. It's literally the crack of dawn right now. It's like 7:10. I am actually about to hit the road. I'm going to Durham right now, which is where my parents live. So they're being super nice and they're watching little Miss Cleo while I'm gone this week. So I have to take her back, and then I'm just gonna spend the day in Durham. I'm going to a spin class tonight with my friend Dana, which will be fun. She's a friend from high school, and then I'll probably just like have dinner with my parents and stuff. So I'm just gonna do a little day in Durham. But yeah, I figured I should probably just hit the road as early as possible so I can seize the day. I'm kind of in the mood to go to the mall when I get there, which I'm never ever in the mood to go to the mall, but I feel like because the holidays are over with, I feel like the mall will be quiet. But yeah, I'm about to hit the road. It's about a 2.5 hour drive, so I'll probably get there around like 10ish, I'm thinking. And I got little Miss Cleo with me. Cleo! She's like, where are we going? It's totally a men's jacket, but I totally think I'm gonna get it. It's so cute. It's got like cheetah, a little bit distressed down here. Oh, I like this. You guys, the mall is a freaking ghost town. Compared to like how it was during the holidays, there's no one here, and I love it. For the record, when I asked my baristas for light milk, this is what I'm talking about. They killed it. Shout out to Starbucks. They absolutely killed it today. This is absolutely light milk, so thank you. So it's literally so nice out right now. I feel like I'm sitting at the Grove, but I'm really just in Raleigh, North Carolina.
Cleo, I'm gonna miss you this week, but you're gonna have so much fun with your granny and your grandpa.
Alright guys, so I am back from the mall. It's actually like 3:30 right now. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just edit this vlog so I can get it up tomorrow for you guys. And then for the rest of my evening, I'm just actually going to spin at 6 with my friend Dana, and then I'll probably go to bed pretty early tonight because I have an early flight in the morning tomorrow. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to go follow me on Instagram because I'll probably be posting a lot on there over the next week. I'm really excited to see Colorado and just experience everything it has to offer. But yeah, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys have a great start to the semester for anybody that is back to school this week. But I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.